Review Dalstrong Boning Butcher's Knife, the Shogun series. When it comes to cutting power, the Dalstrong boning knife is on top of my list. It sports a handle that is made from ultra-premium G10 military-grade materials, and it's immune to moisture, heat, and cold. The blade itself is made from VG10 forged carbon steel, which holds the edge like Valyrian sword. It boasts a 62+ hardness based on the Rockwell standard and 66 layers of carbon steel repeatedly folded, for exceptional hardness and durability. The knife has a bolster that provides perfect balance and a tapered blade perfect for deboning, skinning, filleting, trimming, and cutting your meats close to the bones. The thing that made me so confident about this knife is that the manufacturer gives it 100% money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty against defect. Pros: made of carbon steel. Rated 62+ hardness based on Rockwell standard. VG10 steel, which holds the edge really well. G10 handle is really sturdy. Cons: 6 inches is a bit short for really huge preparations. The one I got needs a little refinement at the tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.